Vacuum's still here from yesterday. I was dropping stuff off to my daughter. I didn't even have a camera with me or clothes. Like it's 25 below here. It's a Hoover Air Steerable wind tunnel. 3 channels of suction. Okay, I'm going to set up the camera and then we'll plug it into the car plug and we'll see if this thing actually fires up. I'm not touching that. There, I'll take the cord off. I'll go plug it into the car plug. I even got proper gloves on here. Okay, let's plug it in. Let's see if it'll actually turn on. Turning on, let's see if the brush bar works. I think you'll have to tilt it downward. Like you're vacuuming a floor. Brush bar is working. Something must be plugged because you can hear sound out of there. That means it's plugged when it whistles like that. Let's do that again. And the cord is there. It's been a while since I worked on one of these. That goes here. And this probably gets plugged into here. Let's see if yeah, it snaps into there and then gets wound around. Okay, let's see if there's actually suction in this hose here. Not very much suction there. There's a little bit of a leaf there. Let's see if it'll actually suck it up. Just barely. Just barely. Filter's probably completely plugged. That's probably why that's why it's sitting out here probably. I know down in there's another filter, which is right here. It says HEPA filter. Possibly that one's plugged too. Oh, look at that. That black stuff is the carbon from your motor. That looks plugged to me. Maybe we'll try it without that. You don't need really a HEPA filter. It's the main filter here that you'd actually need, which is the dust filter. This one. HEPA is just for allergies and stuff like that. Let's see what this one looks like. Look at that one. No wonder why the vacuum's not running so great. Okay, put this back together without the HEPA filter. I know this goes one way and then it locks. Okay, now we'll try it and see if there's more. There's got to be a hose plug somewhere in this machine. But it's way too cold out here to start fiddling with that. But anyway, that's it. Just take it. Just take it in after, like, what? 4 days outside. 4 or 5 days at minus 25. If there's bed bugs, it'll freeze. I definitely wouldn't touch that bed though, bring it in. But yeah, 4 or 5 days outside, you'll kill all the bed bugs. Wipe the thing down with alcohol, coronavirus, and clean the hoses. And there, nice vacuum. Probably this vacuum was probably worth what? $175. Brush bar works. Could use a little cleaning. I think that motor right there is worth about $45 for the brush bar, because it's not a part of the motor for the vacuum. It's a separate motor in this machine.